Hi, this is the evaluation of the orderIT trading system for January the 11th, 2021. We had 3 trades on that day. One was a buy and 2 were short sells. First trade was CNK. That's Cinmark Holdings Incorporated. It tripped at 2:25:07 p.m. at a price of $16.94. It was a short sell. It closed the day at $16.90, down 3.26%, so that's obviously a positive result. And we will check the indicators just to see if they're okay. This is the indicator here. OBD, somewhat a little bit positive early afternoon and then dropped in the afternoon. MACD showing the same thing. It came up, actually it was moving upwards late morning, early afternoon, and just dropped. A little bit of recovery at the end of the day. And DI showing the same thing. Bollinger Band showing the same thing. Technically showing the same thing. We caught it obviously when it was up around its high point, and then we caught it when it went down. Next trade is CTRM. That's Castor Maritime Incorporated. It tripped at 2:55 p.m. at a price of 22 cents. It was a buy trade. It closed the day at 25.80, up 32.31%. So that something happened there with that stock, obviously. But again, another positive trade potential. Check the indicators. OBD looking good, steadily upwards. MACD showing us somewhat moving basically sideways, basically near zero line, and you can see the end of the day it shot up. DI showing the same thing, basically sideways, end of the day shot up, and the DI showing very strongly moving positive. And Bollinger Band showing the same thing, pretty much sideways, and end of the day shot up. Next trade is AABA. That's AABA Group Holdings Limited. It tripped at 3:30:02 p.m. at a price of $228.54. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 227.37, down 3.73%. That's another positive trade. So, indicators. OPV is somewhat moving downward, as you see bouncing back and forth, so there was a bit of recovery. MACD showing the same thing, down, up, down, up, down. So bouncing back and forth, but at the end of the day it actually showed a big drop MACD-wise. DI showing the same thing, up, down, up, down, up, down. But you see end of the day it was a very negative downward trend, and Bollinger Band kind of like showing you that kind of like movement. It kind of like equates into somewhat of sideways movement, and then end of the day where it really dropped. So it just happened to be the end of the day that the stock dropped. So that's 3 out of 3 trades which were positive, so that's 100%. And you can't get much better than that. I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.